So you want to know how many products you need? Awesome. So we're going to go find out how many products you need on your Shopify store. Before we go on and do that, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like button, and follow me on Instagram. Alright guys, let's hop on the computer. Alright, so we're back on the computer, right? And as you can see here, I made a quick dummy website. Just scroll through it a little bit. I was thinking what type of niche, but I ended up going with outdoor, right? Check the catalog. This is it. Alright, for some reason I felt like this had to be an outdoor. I don't know why. But besides that, I also went on Facebook to find an ad, right? To give you guys an example. So let's say, oh, look at this. Vincera watches. Nice. I want to shop now. I want that specific watch. See, flows, sweet. So they led me to a direct page. That was too fast. So right here, right, 179 bucks. Cool specs. It looks like they're drop shipping it, honestly. It just looks like AliExpress, but they're probably not. Yeah, since they have all kinds of logos and stuff. Wait, really, oh, cool. See, I'm getting stuck into it. But see how I didn't even go to, like, naturally. This was just my natural reaction. It's like, cool, I want to check it out more, right? And then this made me want to go back Veni Vidi Vici, which is like Latin for something, for family, something like that. And yeah, this looks super cool, Italian wine. But see how it again, look, it didn't even cross my mind to go, oh, let me see other watches. Let me see all watches. Like, that didn't even cross my mind. I wanted to see the one that I saw on here, right? Or even this one. This one's pretty cool. I think it's gonna lead me straight to the product. Yeah, see, they're doing it right. You just want to do that, right? So then if you were to land on this page, odds are that they will not click on catalog. Even if this was renamed as, like, I think I did that. Yeah, renamed as a fishing catalog. They will not go through your page and, like, see what you have to offer, because they don't care, you know? You're not a reputable brand like Nike, where, like, people would just search through your stuff, right? Your name isn't out there. So if you're just starting, straight up, just you can only have, like, I want to say four products. So then you could also test different products, right? You just want to test the 4, right? See how they're doing, see which one succeeds the most, and keep going with that one, right? But start off with 4, definitely. You don't need 50 products, because I got caught up in that mindset where, like, oh, I need a whole bunch of products, right? Because they're gonna go through my website, they're gonna go look through everything, and they're not. They're only there for like 30 seconds, 40 seconds. And then if they buy it, they obviously stay there longer. But people who just skim through it, odds are they're not gonna go searching through your website. So if you're trying to see how many products to add to your website, go with like 4. Don't get stuck in the mindset of I need to get all these products, all these options. That's not the way to go, guys. So just leave it simple. 4 products. Make sure your product description is on key. This is not on key. It's straight up just directly imported from AliExpress to Oberlo, and then Oberlo to the sides of the website. So, and yeah, just make sure everything's on fleek. Alright guys, I don't know why I'm getting caught into this, but I'll see you guys tomorrow with the story.